Hi, everybody. I just wanted to send this to you as a big thank you for all of your support, all of the donations or payments through my Venmo and PayPal account have really been helping to support my offerings. Your support in sharing the events on Facebook and Instagram to help get the word out there. It really just means the world to me. All the words that you've been sharing, they've literally brought me to tears. So try not to cry now. But thank you. Thank you so much. So, of course, I have to say thank you in the way that I know how, which is through some yoga of movements and sounds. I have my harmonium here. I can't really see it that well. Let me see if I can move us a little bit back. Yeah, kind of, sort of. Anyway, let's go ahead and start in a comfortable seated position. I was thinking of something for our neck and shoulders just to help release any tension that may be creeping up from all of the online stuff. So shoulders up to your ears, shoulders drop, open mouth. One more. Bringing one hand to your heart and the other hand onto your lap or onto the space that's supporting you. And let your heart rise with the inhale and ease down with the exhale. Letting my gratitude be present with you on your inhale. Exhaling, deepening your connection to your presence. So grateful for your presence, for your listening ears, your open heart. So celebrating your beautiful heart with the next 3 breaths. And then hopefully feeling all of the thank yous as the hands flow down into your lap, drawing circles with your head, allowing the body to follow the movement of your head. So maybe the torso follows, maybe the shoulders, coloring outside the lines. And then one more big circle will help us flow the right ear to the right shoulder, and then left shoulder circling front to back. 3, I know, me too, 2, 1. And then bring your arm away, rotate through the wrist, the left wrist, one direction, and then the other way. Left hand helps pull us up, left hand, right leg, right hand behind you as we lengthen up, and then twist to your right. 1 cow spine, 1 cat spine. Trying to let this be brief for y'all, honoring your time. So shoulders flow down, sweep your chin across your chest. Just trying to release, free yourself up. And then coming up, unraveling at center, arms rising up, hands together at your heart. Hands on legs, shoulders up, shoulders drop. Head circles other way. Let the body follow this movement this way. Yeah, what can be at ease? Maybe it's your jaw, the muscles of your face. And then one more big circle will help us flow left ear to left shoulder, right shoulder circling front to back. 3, 2, and this is to offset all of the pouring over of our smartphones and our laptops. Right hand hovering, rotate through your right wrist. And then the other way. Right hand pulls us up, right hand, left leg, left hand behind you, lifting spine, twisting spine. 1 cow spine, 1 cat spine. Keep your cat, chin in, sweep your chin across your heart. Try to free up that right shoulder blade area. And then lengthening up, unravel at center, arms freeing up, hands together at your heart. Close your eyes, feel your heart beat with your thumbs whenever you tune into this video, inviting into your heart an intention. And it doesn't matter what time of day, we can always start again. Devoting these subtle movements and breaths towards this intention. I don't know about you, but myself and in speaking with others, there's been quite a bit of pressure to produce, pressure to make the most out of this time. And can we let our breath be the big movement? Can we let stillness be the movement? So placing your hands on your heart, celebrate the rise and fall of your beautiful heart. Receiving my words to you of thank on the inhale. You. Inhale, thank. Exhale, you. And we can stay with this breath. Maybe the arms ease down. Of course, offering you some sounds to support in this rest. So breathing deep. Maybe you relax in your chair or take this part of the practice to your couch or your bed. And offering up the sounds J Ma. J is the sound to uplift and offer great gratitude towards Ma, the universal sound for mother. And in this case, offering great sounds to celebrate our connection to each other. If I met you on the mat in a yoga studio or at a festival, maybe I met you online or through a friend. Either way, these sounds are thank you to all that has guided us to the here and now, all that has guided us together. I'm so grateful. Sounds of J Ma. Inviting into your heart, into your awareness, a sweet memory, any memory that guides your heart into grace and sweetness, and gather up all the details of that memory. So the sights, the sounds, the aromas and flavors. This way, our bodies can access that moment in time to inspire the creation of more moments. Jai Jai Ma, oh Jai Jai Ma. Gathering up all the connection that you cultivated as you slowly brush your thumbs alongst all fingertips. Wiggle your toes. Slowly align your spine upright. Arms reaching for the sky. Hands together at your lifted heart. Arms out and up, gathering up all of your good intentions. Exhaling them into your lifted heart. Arms rising, gathering up that sweet memory. Exhaling that sweetness and love into your lifted heart. Bowing head to heart, grateful for this time with each of you. Wishing for you some moments to create beautiful memories. From my heart to yours.